Hello everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to another train spotting video. Today we are at Swinton, situated on the Dearne Valley line. Now arriving at platform 1 is the 10:52 Northern service from Sheffield to Doncaster, calling at Mexborough, Conisbrough and Doncaster. 150206. Now departing platform 1 is the 10:52 Northern service from Sheffield to Doncaster, 150206. So, today at Swinton, you're going to be seeing stopping services purely by Northern, with through services by Northern, Transport Express and Cross Country. Limited services do operate by East Midlands Railway from London St Pancras, although it only operates in the mornings and evenings and also in the weekend. So you won't be seeing them in this video today. Let's see what else shall show up today. Now about to pass through is a Northern service from Sheffield to Scarborough via Doncaster and Hull, formed of A Class 170 Turbostar 170/4. Started raining now, so I've gone in here. 170/460. Now is a Freightliner freight service going to a Tyne Yard. Wait, it's a light engine. Oh, it's not a light engine. I thought it was. Freightliner Class 66. No, it's GBRF, I mean. Yeah, GBRF. 66768. Arriving on platform 3 is 150-1276 on the 11:19 Northern service from Doncaster to Sheffield. Now departing is the 11:19 Northern service from Doncaster to Sheffield, 150 276. And in a minute or so, behind that, we'll see a Freightliner service from to East Yard from Haxthorpe, which is just between Doncaster and Conisbrough. Haxthorpe Yard, Junction Yard. There is a northern service to Sheffield from Scarborough. 170475. Calling at Meadowhall and Sheffield. About to pass by now is a cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh. Super Voyager 221. (221) 138. Arriving at platform 2 is the 11:39 northern service from Leeds to Sheffield, calling at Rotherham Central, Meadowhall and Sheffield, formed of a class 150. One 218. Starting is the 11:39 northern service to Sheffield from Doncaster. And coming through now is an empty coaching stock movement from Sheffield depot to Doncaster, formed of a class 158. One 869. And ex-ScotRail class 158 as well. Coming through now is a Freightliner class 66, going from Haxthorpe Yard to Eastleigh East Yard. It is currently stuck at a red line because a cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth is about to pass by. GBRF, I mean. (66,756). Royal Corps of Signals. carrying containers. Actually, I think this is... yeah. Oh, it's going to Bristol Temple Meads. A pair of class 220s. I couldn't get the numbers as they were going too fast. I think the front one was 008, I think.